Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Need a quick idea for a dinner party or just a snack? I got you covered. I have an amazing brand new recipe that you're going to absolutely enjoy. It is a beef and cheese empanada. And to dip, because you always need a dipping sauce for empanadas, I've got a lovely tomato confit. Watch how I do it. It sounds fancy, but it's real simple. We'll start with an onion, all right? Let's chop them up. All right, onions right into a bowl. All right, in with the olive oil, in with our onions, and in with our ground chuck. All right, and then we'll just break up the ground beef with a spoon and let it get nice and brown. All right, so our beef is just about cooked through, and I'm just kind of smashing it up to make sure we have uniform pieces. Now let's go ahead and season this bad boy up. Start out with some garlic powder, a fair amount of that. Got some onion powder, because you know I love this. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Gives us salt, gives us flavor. I've got some dried thyme, and for a little kick, I got a little bit of cayenne pepper. Let's mix this all together. This is all we need to do at this point. So we will remove this from the heat and let this cool, and then we'll mix it with the cheese. But we gotta go grate the cheese. So let's go grate some Gruyere. So I'm taking this whole block of Gruyere and just grating it right down. All right, so there's a Gruyere cheese. Here's what we'll do. We'll add some beef, some of that seasoned ground beef, into a bowl, and then to this we're gonna add in that cheese. It's perfect. Look at that. All right, this is our empanada dough. So I'm gonna take some of the filling, and I'm just gonna put the filling right inside, and then we will fold this over tightly, right? And then we'll use a fork to just sort of crimp it down. All right, 2 down. 8 more to go. I'm gonna knock these other 8 out, and then we'll get them ready for the egg wash in the oven. In a bowl, I've got some water. I'm gonna add in an egg, whisk him together. So basically we have like a little egg wash that's gonna go right over our empanadas. So let's brush them first, and then we'll vent them by inserting a slit on top of each one, just to make sure if there's any moisture inside, it has a way to escape, and your empanadas and turnovers won't be looking all crazy, right? My oven's at 350 degrees, which is a really nice temperature, and these can go in there and bake up until they're golden brown. Okay, so let's make our tomato confit so we can have something to sort of dip our empanadas in and catch all that lovely flavor. I'm gonna start by adding in some olive oil to a skillet, and then just on like a medium heat, I'm gonna add in the tomatoes. All right, I'm gonna give this a sprinkle of salt and a sprinkle of pepper, and that's it. We'll let this cook down, and then we'll have the beginning of an amazing tomato confit. It's gonna go great with those empanadas. Our confit is looking amazing, so we're just gonna add some garlic powder to it. And for a little bit of hidden flavor, I've got some chicken bouillon, and I got this potato masher because I just want to mash down the tomatoes. Oh, look at that. All right, isn't that beautiful? That's perfect. All right, I've got some of my confit tomato, which is great on like bread or as a sauce, and as you can see, it's gonna be perfect to go with these empanadas. It's hot. Oh, it's so good. Let me just make sure, hold on. Give it a try. It's good. The recipe from the website, DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. All right, food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time. I wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.